In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim free exclusive emoji rewards in the Monopoly Go web shop. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device and head to the Monopoly Go web shop. Once the page loads, sign into the account that is linked to your Monopoly Go profile. Make sure you use the correct linked login method so the rewards can be sent to the right account automatically. This is important because if you sign in with the wrong profile, the reward may not appear where you expect it. After you're logged in, take a moment to look around the web shop homepage. Event promotions are usually displayed in featured banners, promotional sections, or limited time event panels. These areas often highlight current bonuses, special offers, and exclusive rewards that are available for players during active campaigns. What you're looking for here is any promotion mentioning free exclusive emoji unlocks. When you find the event promotion for the emoji reward, open it and read the details carefully. Some promotions are only available for a limited time, so it's a good idea to check the event window and make sure it is still active before you try to claim anything. You may also see a short description explaining what the emoji is, whether it is part of a themed event, and how the reward will be delivered. Next, claim the emoji reward using the reward link provided inside the promotion. In most cases, this is as simple as selecting the claim button or opening the reward link while you are still signed into your linked profile. The key thing here is to stay logged in during the process because the system uses your active account session to attach the reward directly to your Monopoly Go profile. Once the claim goes through, the reward should be linked to your account automatically. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and refresh the page or reopen the game later to check whether the emoji has been added. Sometimes rewards take a short time to sync, especially during busy event periods. As a helpful tip, check the web shop regularly for new event promotions, since exclusive emoji rewards are often tied to special campaigns and may only be available for a short time. Staying aware of these updates can help you collect limited items before they disappear. That's the full process for finding and claiming free exclusive emoji rewards through the Monopoly Go web shop.